If I was gonna die, it was gonna be, look, Mom, no hands.
This is...
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, so we have my friend Danny in the car. He's gonna experience 1100 wheel horsepower. First time?
First time. Oh yeah, absolutely.
Oh, it should be fun. What'd you think?
I'm still processing. Fast forward, it's you hitting the brakes. Wow.
Yeah, it's got 6-piston Brembos too.
Holy smokes. I just can't believe the way the brakes grabbed. That was insane. That car was coming up fast.
Yeah.
Hi, Honda.
No, still got 6-piston Brembos, pretty large rotors up front. I downgraded the rotors in the rear, but
why?
Just slightly, so I can fit the 15s.
Yeah.
It's pretty rowdy.
Oh, this is, yeah, very. This thing is stupid. Oh my God.
The cutouts.
You would definitely not drive this car on Rhode Island.
I want to bring it up.
There's like 4 roads you can drive on.
Yeah.
You wouldn't deck it like you're doing down here because you'd be hitting so many frost heaves. You'd just be breaking loose all the time.
Yeah.
Maybe some of the new roads if you found them where they just paved them, but they don't have the straightaways. Oh. Oh. If it's the facial expression you're looking for, you're going on that one.
Yeah. Fun car.
Wicked. Unbelievable. I mean, this is, I don't know. I guess when you're used to it, see, what you guys don't see is that there's a car in front of us when he's doing this. That's my expression. Oh. You better advertise for those brakes again, because boy, am I glad they work. I'll tell you what, that kid did a nice job with this motor.
Yeah.
I mean, this thing runs unbelievable. And 40 feet in front of us, there's a car.
Smell the tires?
I do.
I love the Revolutor. It sounds nasty as
This thing is, yeah, there's not a lot of words to describe this thing. One word, sick.
It actually hooked.
Yeah.
You just gotta heat the hell out of the tires. Not that time though.
No, that broke. What did you hit when you were doing that last one? The really.
You don't want to know.
Had to.
So third gear ends at
that today?
Yeah, we just did.
Oh.
So if you see
And I'm alive.
If you see me grabbing fourth,
Yes.
that is anywhere between and if we stay in fourth for a little bit, we're at fourth ends at about 55 miles an hour.
So glad I can't see the gauges from here. Oh, Christ.
That's funny.
This is... Oh man!
And the funny part is, we have the AC on. We're just chilling.
And it rides so good.
Yeah.
This thing is retarded. Absolutely sickening. And here I am wanting to get one of those electric turbos.
Like Cletus had.
Oh man! Who needs to fly home? I just got to borrow this thing and stay on 95. You'll be home in half the time. Well, Andrew, this is quite the car.
Oh yeah, it is pretty good.
It's gonna be tough to beat this one.
Yeah, I mean, and the fact that you can drive it. I mean, it's still full interior. You know, other than some squeaking, which is annoying the crap out of me. This is the seat.
It's the seat from Hell Rides.
Yeah, it's probably loosening up, getting bent.
Probably.
Yeah, it made on this pulley. So I have another pulley that's faster than this. So it made 910 torque on this setup, and the other pulley makes 965 torque. And then one, the one that we're on right now made 1120, and then the other one made 1140.
Thanks for dumbing it down for me.
Yeah, but I also have a on the way. So I have a 2.65 liter blower on this,
yeah.
And we're going to
be continued.
1250 horsepower. Here we come.
I got a friend of mine that does these videos back home, down by the bay. Christian Davide, funny as hell, great guy, known him all my life. I don't know how I would ever do this if I had this car. It wouldn't be down by the bay. It would be like, I don't even know how I'd even title it. This is crazy.
We're gonna have to go look at those marks on the road later. Dude, it was black. We threw so much smoke on that one.
I'm quite, for it to come back in the car like it did, absolutely. Get out now so I don't hit the other one.
So, do we need to run over your flip phone now?
No.
When are we doing that?
I don't know.
We need to run over his flip phone.
I got a flip phone. It's another long story, but we might run it over with this car. It's going to be worth it if we're going to do it.
Either that or do a burnout over it.
That.
We would shoot it on
Shoot the thing flying. God. Hey, this car is insane. Unbelievable. To everybody who's pitched in and the minds that have gone into building it, unbelievable. Congratulations to you all. I give this 2 thumbs up and a success.
Danny has left the chat.
And the air conditioning was on.
Yeah.
And it rides like a regular car.
Yeah, ride's nice, that car.
But it's the whole thing about coming up on the back of another car.
That's insane, huh?
I don't care about the speed. The speed was great.
Yeah.
It's the speed when there's a car 60 feet in front of you. This mother crazy. I'm telling you.
That's crazy.
There's a car at the red light. There's a little Honda. Didn't matter what kind because it was just a blur. And then there was us. Going into third gear.
At what?
About 55 miles an hour.
Yeah, it's almost a buck. How high? And then it's all brakes. And I'm like, really? Advertise for the brake company twice because this thing has great brakes. But then going around the corner, that was just dumb. That's like I said, that was my chink in my armor when he realized.
When did it? At what speed did it break loose, though?
All of it.
All of it.
Oh,
Anything under 100.
Anything under 100 comes loose.
Yeah, but we were going pretty good, and all of a sudden he parked him, and you could just smell the smoke coming in the
smell the
windows.
smoke
I was like,
come right
holy
in.
that was pretty good.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you, I think the one that really got me the most was the Toyota truck. So we're going down.
I think the guy in the Toyota get pissed too.
I think he thought Godzilla was coming up behind him on a snowmobile. We go down to the red light. We take the left. This guy's going kind of slow. Andrew's backed off a little bit. There's a little bit of a turn lane, and the truck's going to turn in. But he's just kind of like, ding, 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 you know, the directional, and he's going to take the turn. This guy's already in third gear, and then all of a sudden he's like out of it and then starting to slow down. And then the guy finally moves. He walks it all over again and keeps going. I'm like, Jesus Christ. Listen, he wonders why the seat squeaks. The bolts have got to be pulling through the floor.
Really?
Have to be. I had my legs out straight to get the squeak away from the seat. The seat's got a little bit of a rock. Yes. It's hell rides.
It's hell rides.
That's the most comfortable roller coaster.
Getting into the door,
His feet?
right?
Oh, no, his hand?
No, I never grabbed the door. I was
You
free-handed.
just grabbed his knee.
No. If I was gonna die, it was gonna be, look, Mom, no hands.
Look, Mom, no hands.
No, it was the fast aspect of that car is just dumb. And the AC dumb. The only thing we didn't have was like the
Wait, which one did you take?
The
Redneck,
500.
the GT500.
1100 horsepower. Hang on.
Dumb.
That's a lot of power on a car.
I'm glad he doesn't have the good pulley and stuff like that, so I got the baby ride today.
The baby.
I'm glad he kept it simple for me.
Yeah.
Low boost.
Huh?
Low boost.
Low boost?
Yeah, it's only 1120 horsepower.
Is that all?
Yeah. I went for a ride.
My 69 Chevelle only had 885.
My 1960 F350 only has a 200.
230?
No, it's 147 actually.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
232 cubic inch 6-cylinder. Let's put this motor in my 1960 F350 flatbed.
Oh,
So I said, yeah. So I was coming around the corner. And I said, and here I am wanting a electric turbo for my truck.
Oh yeah, that's gonna do you a lot of good.
Yeah, this is
When you're at 100 and he goes by you like you're standing still, like, yeah, that electric turbo don't work worth the
This car would never make it up north because
Oh, no.
you couldn't.
You couldn't drive that car in New England.
You could.
I could
but
try.
You,
No,
You get arrested.
you can't drive that car. in
No,
New
you
England.
could if you kept the exhaust closed, but you could. But the problem was when you go to take off with the consecutive speed frost heaves.
Yeah.
You never, the tires would be up. You'd never be able to grab like you do around here.
No, because the roads suck up north. With the frosties, you'd never be able to get bite on the road.
There's
The
a couple
freaking
of-
rear end would be off the ground all the time.
There's a couple of new roads up there you could do it.
Yeah,
on.
New England
But
is not a
they're
place
old
for a
enough.
car like that.